that Smyrna cowboy to you?
Hello everybody, Smyrna Cowboy here. I'm going to do a wireless mic test on the wireless mic that V-06 5925 gave me. So I'm going to walk to the garage through the doors and see what kind of audio that I can get on this. So let's give her a shot, shall we? Alright, walking out the door. Closing the door. Going down the ramp. And I'm facing the wind right now. See what kind of wind noise I'll get. You hear the train in the background, hopefully. And I'm going to go into the garage. My wife is washing clothes. Now I'm going to walk back to the shed. Getting some wind from my left. Going the wind straight forward. See if that picks up anything. Got some good gusts there. That'll test it out well. Now I'm going up the ramp to the shed. Opening the door. Hello. Closing the door. There you go. Well, let's see how it does. This is a test of the emergency broadcast system. This is only a test. Okay, who remembers that? All right, I do. Okay. All right, that's it. Just a small little test to see what kind of audio quality and audio reach I can get with this thing. So, there you go. We'll catch you guys and gals later. This is the Smyrna Cowboy here in Pappy's Place here in Smyrna, Tennessee. Wishing you and yours a good day. And until next time, adios. Thank you for your time and attention.